I'm going to show you how to edit your school's login page on Fusion. Before I log in though, let's just look more closely at what's here. We have your school logo at the top. To include your school logo here, you need to send a high quality version of your school logo to the support team at MyLearning. We then have your school name and a subtitle. Then we have the main login part. Then we have the optional ability for people to log in using a social media login. And finally we have the background image. Okay, so let's log in. I've logged in as admin, and to edit that login page I go to Manage, scroll down, under Configuration, Edit Login Page. So here you can add your school name and any subtitle. You then get to choose your background image. You may choose not to have a background image, and instead you can choose a background colour. If you do decide to have an image, you can click here to choose this default background image, or you can upload your own. It suggests this size of 1280 by 720 pixels, and that the image you use should be a JPEG. Down here is where you choose if you want to use the social media logins. When you're happy with your settings, simply save changes. So that's how to set up your login page on Fusion.